guys, I've got something super exciting to share with you. This summer, I'm going to go on a super haunted, scary adventure, and you guys get to pick where I go. It could be a creepy road trip to haunted locations in Oregon. It could be to Los Angeles, to some of the city's most haunted locations. Or it could be one of the most haunted cities in America, New Orleans! And no matter where I go, you'll have at least an hour-long video of my haunted adventure. And you can even get shout-outs from me along the way, and more. How awesome is that? Okay, so here's all the details. I'm starting an Indiegogo campaign to help fund the adventure. You want to help make it happen? It's super easy. All you have to do is pledge $5 and you'll get the whole haunted adventure. It'll be as a digital download, or as a secret link where you can watch it as many times as you want, commercial-free, with tons of bonus content. Depending on how much money we raise will depend on where Mom and I will go. The first option, for raising the lowest amount of money, is the creepy road trip to Southern Oregon.
On this trip, Mom and I, and probably our friend and camera guy Nick, will road trip all the way down to Southern Oregon to visit 3 well-known haunted and paranormal locations. Stop 1 will be Ashland, Oregon, home of creepy Lithia Park, where it's said a girl was murdered there in the 1800s and still haunts the park at night. Do you think we'll find something creepy? I bet we do. Next stop will be the Oregon Vortex, home of some of the creepiest stuff you'll ever see. If you're not familiar with the Oregon Vortex, let's just say it will play tricks on your mind that you'll never forget. And then finally, our last stop will be Wolf Creek Inn, reportedly home to multiple spirits. It should be a great finale to one of the creepiest road trips ever.
That sounds awesome, right? I think so. Pongo thinks so too. But if enough of you decide to pledge $5 for pre-order of the digital download, then Mom and I could go to even more haunted, scary locations in Los Angeles.
If enough of you decide to support this trip, Mom and I will head down to Los Angeles, California, and visit some truly epic haunted locations. First, we will visit Suicide Bridge, called that because of the countless people who have jumped to their death on this bridge. Legend has it that if you cross the bridge on foot, you might feel compelled to jump to your death. The area around the bridge is full of ghost sightings like these stories. People have seen a man leaping off a rail, but when they go to help, no one's there. Or there's also a woman seen crossing the bridge, cars swerving to miss her, but then she vanishes. Our next location will be Griffith Park. Its story goes like this. In the late 1800s, wealthy landowner Don Antonio Feliz died suddenly from smallpox. As legend has it, when his beloved 17-year-old niece, Donna, was cheated out of her uncle's will, she put a nasty curse on the land and its owners. Since then, untimely deaths and ill omens have befallen the land's deed holders, including Griffith J. Griffith, its last owner, who donated 3,105 acres to the city before going to prison for shooting and maiming his wife. True believers say they've seen young Donna in a white dress on horseback haunting the trails. Finally, we will visit Queen Mary, a terrifying old cruise ship. The Queen Mary is certifiably haunted according to the countless visitors who claim to hear voices and rattling chains during the tours and overnight stays. According to the late psychic and ghost hunter Peter James, who led tours around the Queen Mary, almost all areas of the ship, including the second-class pool deck and engine room 13, are known to be haunted.
How insane would that be for me to check out those haunted locations? I seriously hope enough of you want to see this to make it happen. But of course, there's the final option. If just over 2,000 of you decide to pre-order the $5 adventure, you could be sending me to one of the creepiest places in America. New Orleans!
What do I even need to say about New Orleans? Home to some of the creepiest haunted locations anywhere in the world. Mom and I will explore as many as we can and film an awesome adventure for all of you to enjoy.
So that's it! Depending on how many of you decide to pre-order my next adventure will determine where I go. But go now! You only have a few days to order. Oh, and I should add that once the location is booked, you guys will have your final adventure within 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks of my return. We should specify. Within 2 weeks of booking the adventure? No. Be sure to click the link and check out the page with all the awesome stuff about everything I just said, and also how to figure out how to get your name in there in the credits or as a shout out. I could be standing in New Orleans and say your name. Thanks for your help in advance. So let's go on a super crazy adventure this summer. Bye guys! Blah.